What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on a Dex activity na Decogmia was having an event today from Caltex. Instagram post na Dex was so happy meeting his beloved fans supporting him until now and then. The Deck gives a beautiful flower to the lucky fans and gives a beautiful person for them. Decimia is the new presenter of the Gasoline Caltex as the new year 2023 ends, and it is the welcoming blessing to him. So you can see, Nadek was so happy. Today, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's Peer Band is now in private event from Fine Line. Rosa's Peer Band are look so beautiful wearing the pink dress and also wear the necklace that given by her boyfriend last December. Rosa's Peer Band gives a chance to talk with her fans for a minute and had a photos of her before she left to the event and it ended. Rosaya was still quiet until now after the rumors.